Hi everyone, it's I, Abelard, the traveling hedgehog. And here I have two figures of ancient animals. Of course, they are now extinct now. Yep. Well, in one corner we have the Dunkleosteus. That's this big armored fish here. And the next one is the Dodo bird. Well, have you ever wondered which one is more ancient? Well, I do, because they're both from two different time periods, like one from the Devonian and the Holocene. Yep. And do you know which one is more ancient? Well, I do. I'll just take a moment till you figure it out. Well, have you figured it out? Well, of course, I always know. Well, it turns out it's the Dunkleosteus here that's more ancient than the Dodo. Yep, because it's the Devonian the Dunkleosteus is from, and the Dodo is from the Holocene. Ain't it just fascinating how I have all this knowledge about two different prehistoric creatures? Well, I'm sure you do now.